All right, this is a first for me. Chris Howard, Bluemont Connection. Bike check here. So running the open up, custom paint. Took a lot of the inspiration from the biomes and the mosaics. So got custom frame bag here. Rockgeist down in North Carolina put that together for me. So custom paint on the the Zipp stem, C-post, obviously custom painted. Work real close with Matt down at District Cycleworks to help you put this together. Pro Gravel, carbon handlebar, SRAM Force, obviously the mullet, 1052. Uses a lot of bike packing and obviously gravel. Get up those long climbs.
Cool touch.
Yeah, so it's Matt and Chris Tank actually, helped a lot on the design there.
That matches the real fork.
Yeah, XTR pedals, Quarq Power meter, 42 on the front, 650B by 48. The wheels are Stans Crest S1s. And I believe it's just the Stans Neo hub. So yeah, it's been a good bike. Arundel mandible cages.
How much does this thing weigh,
Not sure, but gets the job done for me. So I like it. Definitely shout out to District Cycleworks and Matt and Chris and the whole team over there. Yeah, good people for sure.